The future of flying is here, and it's electric and autonomous. Imagine a world where planes are powered by clean, renewable energy, and fly themselves with precision and efficiency. This is the future we're working towards, and it's closer than you think. Electric airplanes are the next big thing in aviation. They're powered by electric motors, which means they emit zero emissions and are much quieter than traditional gas-powered planes. This is a game changer for the environment, and it's also good news for people living near airports, who will no longer have to deal with the noise pollution. Autonomous flight is another exciting development in the future of flying. With the help of advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, planes will be able to fly themselves with incredible precision and safety. This will not only make flying more efficient, but it will also reduce the workload on pilots and make flying more accessible to people who are unable to fly themselves. The future of flying is bright, and it's happening now. Electric airplanes and autonomous flight are the key to a more sustainable, efficient, and accessible aviation industry. So next time you fly, think about the incredible technology that's making it possible, and imagine what the future holds for the skies above us. This technology not only increases safety, but also allows for more efficient use of airspace, reducing delays and increasing capacity. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next flight.